Take a ride in the 2020 Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power liftgate, navigation system, remote engine start, keyless entry, traction control, power passenger seat, stability control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, dual airbags, adjustable steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, keyless start. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.